I was a more common from no 2 TV plus. So I was young Comobia Cosso and Comobi so a Cosso. I would team legal wife or say, Nitia Watchamuno, F4 Dublin. A coin basso, and Dublin will be our under age. Now with Timikoya Juma, our hospital. I was young and Comobi Akoso. Now, Menoka say, I was young, a ya buying and be a year piece and some way same. Say, will be our under age, the Nicholas or ya buying Juma. And no than Jenson Swa. Antena. And after Ohenenii of a year sompa, I was here almost and want some epimo, media pima, and community of what you say. And maybe I have chimney a year nebia echem na a year and comobi, and it may be a coswa, and a young cola, wounds as ya cry, we say, department a cry, why you see bantena, a buyer, now friends were any buy and sunny many now to a chat. I was young and commodity baby a coso, afa a year, sa a team legal wife for and a team side check for Presso come according to the best see.
Casa or ye Juma hospital, ye in casa or ye nurse, cause he was Zoom nurse, and a ward assistant, ni cleaners, who did 16 a Ghana, and a car 14. And crowd more traffic, must say, ya may be quiet 7-6. No, hold on, me patch me beside some kaka. And cry what traffic must 7 years, 6 years, so what? A be on my bonnet me aton in your mamma and me boy.
Oh, yes, of course.
Okay, even though child live intimate patrolity in Ghana, 14 years, 8 me year Juma, 16, 8 me year Juma was hospital as a cleaner. In the US, 16 years, bet me a cleaner. You were 16 years, bet me out on your mama shop. And so because of be a Juma hospital, and trust or your nurse, we have a cleaning job in the hospital. A brochure and a gun and a bias baby. Who did 16 out with me, intimate patrol, and no orca.
Yeah, now wanted to clarify one thing. A brochure no 16 Uber to me, I then I Juma, but a one limit. I was so yeah because
the limit per hour.
Me were US
States Bay.
Me were Connecticut.
Okay, on say into Connecticut. Exp0se, right?
Yes.
On say state BR when in Mameboa. On say Alabama, utmi wari ameboa. Your cousin. Okay, so you being in Connecticut, unim say Accra 86 how many hours no
like 24 hours.
There be how many hours for the week?
24 hours for the week.
Yeah, because I was so Oko school, even because 16 years school into a year.
16 years, there is a hospital where you must have
me patch you bet me a higher. So because we don't hire anybody in the
unless the volunteering, you are doing a volunteering.
And you're volunteering. Me patch you volunteering. My mentor idea. 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 Me bow. My mentor idea. Your full time cleaning job or brochure. You may be a well say a front desk. Me patch they will be a cheap. Say a front desk. Say you cleaning. Say you BBR. You part time ni full time. Part time and full time doesn't matter about the age. You may be what apply almost age requirement. Age requirement.
Oh, sorry.
Age requirement. A bit me 21 and above. Your federal jobs. The you be what in the hospital settings. No, some jobs be what will apply. And nasa uye student and answer day. So far as ukuta nyoma bet me apply a more part-time position. Part-time so what 16 years bet me apply. Part-time so what 20 years bet me apply. Part-time so what 60 years bet me apply into be patrol hospital. So who those Spanish for and now those Latin for na mu cleaning. Most of them no yet me hire 16 years. I have part-time. Volunteer people no enko. Mostly omota juma wa frondex. Omo volunteer no. E be ya frondex. Omo boa frondex check-in no. Sena be omni EMTs for na e be ya juma. Sa volunteer people no and omo ye juma for free. Cause obi o person or ye nurse or ye doctor na or ye bibi. And also person de ka ne high school ho ema ye hu se aye yi. Nti me pacho 16 years. Put me apply. And you want to 16 years year, Juma. 16 years you can apply for a job at a hospital part-time. Open positions are age requirement and your limit.
And there be an a be a fee and assistant because me call high school waha. Now summer school no.
Now me pacho. Oh, US or Connecticut no. Oh, high school no. Maybe oh, high school no. Oh, my men file ma by US and oh, my men file ma.
Yes.
Oh, high school no now apply a juba no man for me.
Same. I'm maybe can a woman show.
Go ahead.
That me what high school no. Me call high school in New York, Manhattan, because New York and near what before New York school and everything, and me move back in Connecticut. But what actually happened was, Mimi school, any one of the hospital, no, they affiliated for the students, no. Into the summer drew now, ye call no, ekoboa, right? But after summer no, who apply Omonfa, Exp0se. Finish when you are 18. Summer school. Not mean take a summer school because it was a high school. When your grades are good, there is no need for you to take a summer school. Into summer school, no, a Jagana phone, your
high school. And your college na high
no, it was a high school.
Maybe high school. And omuni ultimate skepe summer school because why your classes are here.
Oh yes.
Let's say Mama Tech.
Let's say so we fairly class. Summer school you will do it. Let's say so school. Let's say your English, your math, it didn't go well. You know the some was train for be for 4 semester. They suggest you know what? Do the summer school with the math. No, when the grades are good, there is no need to fall. No, you have to retake it. And to know BIA was mandatory. Say you have to go to summer school if your grades are good. You don't have to. And in that aspect, in summer school, no, you can go and do some little jobs. And now that school no had the opportunity. I will never forget Hospital for Joint Disease in Manhattan, 14th Street, 2nd Avenue. Okay. And my school was Manhattan Comprehensive. And the school was closer to the hospital. And no more opportunities. And someone who would me could you shabo ye them. They be 2-3 months now. When I kakra will be a them. But after summer, when the break no, that's school began in fall now. Who could apply on because they be.
Oh.
So, yes, they will tell you said there be. You wait for the next year summer and now so would 18 now. You are fully entitled. They will hire you. And to make me really high school I'm starting NYU college. No, NYU is also closer there. Me starting NYU college over there. I was working there as a part-time. Me graduated as a nurse. I worked there.
Okay.
For 4 years. For 4 years, me here Juma wo hono me experience. That was when I relocated.
That time in our high school, no, Juma Bena or apply for hospital, even though some more affiliation.
Say you call for summer apply office be a clinics no. Now to say answering phone calls, doing filing,
right?
Yes, doing filing it to say like it's a patient chart, no. You'll be placing them like in orders. Photocopy, answering, phone calls and all that.
Beyond 1 moment. In your school affiliation now, and I want to call online, and I'll call who say that hospital, no, or maybe application, or more applier, applier and common file, right?
I didn't even go online to look for the job, no.
Okay, and to use school, no. Into using school affiliation, right?
Okay.
So,
can I still continue with the job that I'm doing?
Okay. And to me, patcha, school affiliation or school that hospital what terms are voluntary works no more and now be no more and to me, patcha, I know your affiliation your school have with them. Me patcha, so anka wankasa oko apply and command for nanka waka eno. And to me, patcha, Chiremu say, Mimi school and I make on a high school no. Or more affiliation and no money hospital way one and any way. And no more contract and no money hospital and one and any way. cause anka cause regular 60 no for pay cleaning na say cleaning job no omuni any age requirement and age limiter me patch omo befa enti say wo school no who go through and unti na me busa no say ya be say who go through as a school affiliative program sana wo go through enti eno na e kan ho asem patch in generalizing no why.
Okay, I see.
Okay, yeah.
That means no, but I will make a research about that and see also. I will find out about that.
Scientifically. Scientifically.
Me a 19-year-old son, okay. Now it do 17 no. Like when he was 17. And okay, so a part-time work. I started going with him to look for some. He's still young, so the age they can only give him 20 hours part-time. So that was what he was doing up to now, and that's what he's doing now.
Me pa choshe chema me meba. Okay. Meba quick. Yeah.
Mate, na me clarify the what the beyond do kano no kure.
Okay, I'm gonna get Brian.
Because my baby 7 US here. Me mani nyina no. Even me baba man kura there at the age of 14. Also person ye summer job omo hire no right away. After summer no school no open 2 days before school no be they don't let them come. They tell them say prepare for school, but anytime they go back they get hired.
Ofasani ya kamba ono chrese
maybe share mama no simpacho yana mempe tinamba mute me. One thing they say we have 2 jobs. Your job will require certification or licenses. Any what job will require certification and licenses. It's name hospital be a I'm part of the hiring team. Anybody beyond 17, as long as your parents endorse it, they will hire you and they will let you work. Anybody beyond 16, you don't have to be affiliated with our hospital. You don't have to have any contract or any link. You are allowed to work.
16 about hospital and I'm a cleaning job. I'm a job for me.
Yes, as long as your parents endorse it.
Okay, offend na year can but not beyond nature.
Maybe because the lady they beyond the can or 100% correct. Summer school is not for everyone. Summer school at high school is for children who are not doing well. So in summer school, no, you're no crying. And Kolana Omunye, I recommend him.
No, see where the 16 cleaning job or hospital. Sana now. That was what she was saying.
Me can't be all cano, the end of Craum. The again, they cano, a yen Crane walker. Summer school and your force. Any child above 16 or older can work throughout the whole summer. No company or nobody can stop them from working. No law bans them from working. But summer school no recommend it. Young forso you recommend it must say. Akola na yehwa e bia math. Onyade inti they recommend to be take summer class. But they don't force. And the US here also no. Whether regardless of whatever state you are in, the job, the federal law, no, it doesn't prevent anybody from 16 or after 16 years from working. The only thing is say a school timer, they will not hire you full time. They will hire you part time only because they want you to go to school. But say a summer timer, they hire you full time. You can even get benefit, but most of them normally under their parents' health insurance in here, so they don't want that. 2 weeks na so na say week na so what you and cash amano what the call it. But regardless no ade ba ko won se ehwe ne say US is totally different from Ghana when it comes to aware. Lumba se bia yeken ye ka aware ne mpnatwe ne ade. The US ha no kokofa akwala wo below 18 ubekogye untimi mfa no nkoma aware. Sakola no ye below 18 wa force no say won ko ware. No, even wo kra ne beda no. Sakola ne na wo for report wa ubekogye. Bagana na koye sakola 12 years yetimi kura ache no. Ni yadna ubi say wale no.
Of a Ghana, you know, of a Ghana.
Say you can say until antenna came into existence, until my mayfield mobile, you know, a lot of these things were happening and nobody, even the police, case the police officers told the woman to go and look for the criminal and call them. That's the country called Ghana. Whereby a US, you young country was a criminal who are afraid. You better to cry me approach no. You better to say men kono ho kra. Who no kra men kono ho. Call 911. If the country na yetimu no, obi akọ repu obi, we prepare akwala no. E ka kire ne ma me say, me say o yire pa fo bo na me bo ma me de ba o yire pa. What's the oboka police ni ka kire ne say go. Na ko hwehwe criminal na wo no repu ba no. Na wo hu na freyen. Near Mechino. Can you say, me, my Ghana, I'm robbers, ya buy, ya free police, catching say they don't even have a car. It's in Pebe being share. That is the country called Ghana. It's Ghana Corona down. Law enforcement, pano. And yet, time I would meet here radio stations in Libya, no comment. Wakoma et. But, ye can't lumber the year, Beno. You can say. Get any age in the man or Mokekano, any one your nurse, no your nurse, no you senior, no you senior, no you way, no your hospital worker, meaning on a way and say, Ubikunu, Yanko Jamoso, Ubikunu, Yanko yes I check, Ubikunu, Yanko Genesis, Yaji de Bosso, Woko Champion in the Pani who are winning in Yukuna, period. Nothing, Yemusa, the DNA Kumulumba, and Yakesi. Essence said, no age way, no way, no, and Nuna, I don't the day, no. Lumba and Wale, Ubikunu Wako home. And no, the way you do that. Nescassi the Ghana, the company US in the idea, Utibaya, Utibi Jow. I'm telling you the truth, Utibi Jow.
Beyond the Barcelona, not yet,
because name a hospital, no, be
I say, where the 16 and won't be near Juma hospital. And I still would be here. And on another year count.
Yeah, mention is it. Topic of the US near the company Ghana, in fact, because many hospital are Colabana and Motitia. You Busana no Casa and Papana, I am Sally Mamia. Your fresh CPS and we follow up with the police. Apprehended criminals. Ya Mohankola. Sakola be banning for examine necessary. Na se atete no Casa will be the say Sheshonoma. Your fresh CPS, Child Protective Service. Within seconds, in if I never apprehended. By Ghana, no. What do Bakula Hospital now? Casano? Is that Bronii?
Up, I don't know Ghana, sir. And look it down.
Madam, Ghana, free Ghana, we free Ghana, we ain't one year. Timamenka. I collected by radio station, Sompa FM. I collected 10 years, was in the stepdad, they are faith, you know. I collected call him, put for the catchers where I call Bronii, Uncle Fee. We are talking about a country called Ghana. To be honest, the can say. Say no yenka enkola nketua wo mu di amanfo kunumachi enkola wo mu di amanfo kunumu sa check for mo so mo pedwuma o betena Ghana tena amanfo kunumu ho eni wo doburo ni mo mani abre pejapade sa US to Ghana comparison no this time of the moment na ye wo mu no Tuesday ne dey court sa nkomo sa comparison ko ade emfa America ha na lumba wuye yanka sa check bia ma mepre ho kay ne yede dia. That's it. But the country called Ghana, and you can't want them. That's it. After my machine, I went to my cousin.
Okay, yeah, wa hana nana ye di nkomo na ofrosro. To ofrosro no, ono no na ye ka obi ka say 16 years entime nya adwuma wo Ghana. Na ye ka say 16 years betimi aye adwuma cause Ghana car traffic bu ye hu nko almost 6 years, 5 years and okra ye bone omo ye. Enti ono na ye ka say ono no hospital a wo ye adwuma no okono. Na ono 16 years omo mfa na me se wo boa cause we 16 a oye part time. U school bia na wako school. Ano ono no say no ye adwuma wo no baby no ko school no moko ye adwuma wo volunteer work penalty me ye na me say volunteer ne de one way you wakoma ma wo ye but 16 no wo betimi aye adwuma nti e bia contract na affiliation a omo no school no ne hospital corner wo no eno nti na ma ne yes ano cause 16 years me ko pay cleaning job a metimi cause no more doubt odo Bronii age no almost one year cracketwa inti no ho asem ena na ye ka ena beyond the say you were 16 years untimi nya adwuma wo hospital na me say o ubetimi aye cleaning job front desk ti no ho asem na ye ka na nya school no enko a ho asem na ye state cause age no na ye ka say cracketwa na akoji obi kudo eno na obeka say enya akraketwa sa na asem nete.
Bacha metimi akasa kaka nene dom eda mase pa se asemi bae mu gina for nokre na nokre nso de entro entimi ndi nokre nim da de tie bia no nokre no ebeba abonten sister Sheila oya de pa na ni nipa bibini empe ene oba owonim die oba onim nyasa oba wako school no nim ne left and right eba ne sana attacks bebre ebeba oso ba ni nyina no ka akoma to ye nyina ye bo chidom ezese nyema bi wo hwa ye nyina ne ye nkasa ye sua ne boa ye because asema ato mami mama kosue ye nyina bi betimi ato obia ebia wo de mine ba ebia ebe ye ochina enti no kra ne de eno na ye nyina yehwe na nokre no so nyame ebe ma nokre ni nyina ebe ba abonte na girl ni de she knows whatever she's doing. There's no way obeka say onim how many times eno de akọ nkrofo ho say omo convince lumba no nware no so she knows everything and she knows the bond between lumba and yere one tina so many years and papa no he had the right or the platform the bianso di nechi ehefa enoko ginai eko kan say me yira ma waye na sesi amini nitini wanka bida udi nechi sa baby obeko bia udi nechi you know your position nechi na no dino no ni medjuma ye de ama na oye enti no me kura me de ne ho ya o se ne papa ya to na woni mu adwuma a wodi kodi nechi na ne wo pese wo shift ene ne yire ebepre ne anya wodia eno so no eda ho man as a lumba no so wo baby am nim se ba now or the dinsa agunit he knew says idea we ebeba and on one kasa no he is not the right person obetimi a fight idea we e kire ne yire no enti ne ekoso nyina no ne yire no ne betimi a fight amanikum de tie bia no kra bia won bia no ebeba abonten mesre mo WhatsApp group no mo fa me nka ho wai ni wo so bia mpam cho mo fa me nka ho kakra me so metimi aka ndamase
Joy inbox so the great the odasro hono na ene nka WhatsApp no ho asem wai
okay opa me das ba opa me aka sampo me DM me why na me wa di nkomo bi
Patro bimpe Mami bimpe
No also
me
patro na I am say will be cancer 16 years wo betimi aye aduma wo hofe okay bia ye baby o patimi ne ekromu ase no no say wo 16 years minim say
so progresso
Me were US.
Obenfo.
US.
Oh, okay.
Me were New York. Me were New York. Me say who was 16 years obetimi aye adwuma wo hospital. Me say summertime. Momu na bia na wutimi kwaye adwuma wo hospital. Summertime there. Me say wutimi kwa na me my boys say ebo ye mu makwan a wo mu program bi wo hase New York wa say no ye lotto enkola no today started to 14 years ye mamo bi mu come man say they can be wa ha ho no ye mu ko no makɔhwe wo mu so enti boy ye fencing summertime ni nyina mfa 3 months ni nyina mbetena fie no ye mo first fa na ye 1300 omu be 14 years omu started into na enti na nsem na mahu se omu dey akọ 2200 or 2300 14 years summertime obe ye adwuma but se wo 16 years na be wo pese wo ye adwuma na wo ko school wo ko school kwa na wo 16 years am ye ma 40 hours nye ye ma 24 hours na wo ye for a week media minimum no so wunya 18 years 18 17 I'm say 18 who
we were her and they say hospital be answer on the policies. There was some hospitals here almost policy about age is different but states in there as long as your parents sign the release of you no
but yema wonye 40 hours yeba
40 hours they say school time yema
school yema wonye 40 hours
but
some sana me
22.5 hours
yeah
which is 3 days out of the whole week. Yeah, but a school a summer time there it be could have bought double because
summer but any summer time there won't me enko yes adwuma because me have 14 years but other state enkola ni nya sa ayiwe no wo butu lotto bi wo mo be makwan na ay sama no na ma trotro akogum enti wa machine be pick no na wo benya sa adwuma no wo me say ase he ya me mani na kwa enti summer time bia mo ye adwuma wo ho summertime bia mu ye adwuma mo started to 14 years na mu yes unya 14 years na what's our program na so tini dem ni mo
me say no mo ye adwuma school time life o mo be weekends no akobo 8 hours near because me summertime no ye ma kwan a o mo ko Ghana June o mo ko June no ma ba August every year. The summertime me mantana here. Omo ko Ghana kra me say omo ko school omo ko KNUST primary GHS and SS. Omo ko because the person me building omo with both culture.
So in America has say no anybody can work depending on the type of job or koye.
Yes,
like it is stated say any child can work like babysitting, like walking a dog or doing minor things are any hazardous for the child. But more limitations to say working in agricultural fields and hazardous places like companies are Exp0se or mono. A hono na enkwala no ye mo mo nya adwuma for 16 and 17 for no eno de and below a hodie e wo ho pa restrictions e wo ho but apart from that and I think you can do minor things to get paid and it's allowed here in the United States.
Yes, with me about 20 million 40 hours.
No, you just have 18 hours if you're going to school. But holidays you can work a little bit more. As you said, we cannot compare maybe a way to Ghana. situation, no. Only a few
you crew
allow their
10 years. One day, Papa,
2 years ago.
one day, Papa, for your children. I collect you 10 years. What in you so quick?
Every 10 years, he said, oh, 2 years, the Panama for tomatoes in Moko. Now, I show what the ordinary and fear film. And more
ice water and collapse crying some kettle.
And Ghana, let me fire home.
No, we need the same environment, any situation. So yeah, separate. Nema ngejuba.
Mato bimpe obi.
Me patro me wie no ana na mpese na mba so beka. Why?
Patro where do so oba pa mba cho akasa.
E patro Debbie.
Patro mo anu ko manu by mami.
Patro yo.
Legal wife.
Legal wife.
There's a legal wife to patro almost say kan yo almost say nkwala no am be ba obuku no mo ho. Betinka.
Ofanya minshra pa. Say yenya wo papa otai eme nyina echi. Nyame wonhra on shada. Ensha osoro canvas no ombutu butu ntun hyerem. Enye meme nyina na beye de wo nyame nhra pa. Na omo maka nyina me da omase. Sa asemi ba ye omo ba boso ejina maami echi. Ma kosia sewa oba papa sewa braketu. Nyame nhra mo. Asante kwenti wa obia nyame nhra mo. Na mpacho WhatsApp ade na my request with the great ho me ma sending a message on fa me nka ho yet. Me has me beka ho so that bibi ya sika o ede yo me contribute to it. Because we are not going to leave this fight until we are winners. And no happen am for beka shela so nyame nhra no for the patient ne niam a onya abotrechechire mu nyame nhra obi bia.
Oh, yeah, that's mommy. The great was sumo. I'm so my requesting for me come home. But you dear man, oh, Ujina street in it.
Well, for the great, so I busy kakra, Ntina, internet come.
Mame, me patro ebusuafo. Many anu wa ha se. Wa ha ebusua wafa.
Yete
patro nipa.
Itonka.
Wafa so nipa wa ha.
Yeah, no, I think say be we nyako.
Oh, okay. Oba tiwa. Me so sorry. Emergency. I mean, I'm a fraud several times. Me decline it.
Amen. I'm sure also. The patro tack another. Anaya, Mubia, why you ready? No tack or anaya. Tack. Another anaya. When are you ready? Okay. When you're ready, the any patro Florence waiting at us.
Yes, over.
Let me akasa
Team legal.
Okay, Nanaya waba. Florence patro jina Nanaya waba. Nanaya patro.
Okay, my Florence in casa now we are makasa.
Okay, Florence koso why?
Okay, over. Me da say. Team legal wife.
We move.
Oba. Ofa. Obia.
We move.
Yeah. Asante Queen obia do obia se mabo adwuma nkasa nyame nhyiramo de mahwe wo maame se wa hu bia nyame nhyiramo mama anopai so yeda lawyer kusin so ase oba be kire 1212 bi na wo abusua pani de ono waye na dwen se o wari pu na dwe onfo obia ho ena wa na dwen se lumba na obegu nanimu ase nti ono de onkoso na ho aso twen so eda ho twen ena odo Bronii nso so ono chese wa riata so se na me se wa na opeso ha no because the oye no nipa dwene ho a yente ase yenti di odo Bronii no oye na se bia oba lumba abra bom se oba be kunu na chese oba be fom ne niema
Oba na brabum so oba ba be kuno. No aba be fom ne niema. Na agenda odi ko lumba brabum ano no. Because ye bompa senya me adoma brada no. Nyame be ma na basa kese no so na bibia aye kama na enkunimdie aye ye dia. Ti ye de mpa bo ta bibia chi se bibia betimi aye fine. Enti ye wa ye hwede nyame be ye de nyame be kan so na ye nokre. Nyame nso so wa ma na basa kese no so. Ti ofa ye metimi aka no ye de mu nyina ase. Ti ye wa
ati eso ye da ase patanta na ya obekasa no mo amo ase ho no me pa hwo mo fa mo nsa mboroboro beti wa host no mo fa mboroboro so na mo tapo so na like no nkosoro ma no why na eti megina so ti nana ya mpacho kasa why
sakwe okay
nana
medasi bebre medasi bebre ni akwanya mode amame na metibasi na me follow kwenema nti misi na me hu say about to answer request me na me find na before say me kasa na me busa say what is the topic of the day
ana ye ka awofo a omotena se ye nhwe ha na omoma te se oprega ma me ne papa na kola ketu akofa papa panimu etena ho a saaji obi kunu saaji ne ifire ne yere nsam ene ne tena akokom sisi di akogine ya enhu oprega hunu de wo ko de wo bai na wofo no edi ade na yesu afirim as parents ne ebe bit make keep your man safe from sani ma we mu say enkoso ene ho na obi ajenjuna ho
yo of medasi bebre na ya litmon na ka say the PR of no can no vote abusanfo enra mede to kwenema e page no meka ne hono mesa ananso obatu a hono ananso asante kwen time of life bia Monday I think me 1 week holiday starting Monday e wo Germany amadwum enti Monday me no ma channel be life concerning enema ekoso wo Daddy Lumba oprega benten any mama Exp0se say one time and son lawyer no crack court nyame pa Tuesday me tie a program me anam say no can no vote so by say no because of Lumba the intimidate no ahodu akakra because no ye January beto aba ba Lumba the end e bofon de na mo apaso e di wa officer why ready so only e be call live akasa o ma channel with me DM na me ye time no a na me afa wo fi baby so wo US wo Canada baby wo bia Germany ha London
bro ya mpacho beti mama oni so kakra wa ma ye wa msira
until na me kire say wo a why ready so be kasa afa niam ekoso e wo on my channel from Monday meet me there am afa live on my channel na wa kasa fa nsem a ekoso efa Daddy Lumba ewu ehun sensem ehu before say meko ne Samson over mebo obati wa ne Ashanti Kwen Kwema any official queen any more ma supporto ma me Exp0se wa any nyina up until now offer the woman here media me hu ni say oprega benten ne maame na amwa no se be kan kura ne maame amwa no bako the entire make us ne maame amwa no se obi ti se mo na mo bre na yare ya na benten so wa kotan ho afia ne ho ne maame wo mpre se mo na mo bre na oyare na benten enya advantage won ho so kotan ne maame ka jere be oyare ne mpre and why Daddy Lumba nti Exp0se nkrofo bi opportunist na Ghana for na yen kan okware over obi no ama ne bia yen fiti prekopesi ekwakodi o what you say ukotwo ba na obi aton na duane na betie na ne fufuo na oso ko oro nsa aba o ma na wo nsasim yale yo ni je nti media the American na ne say oprega ne mame
ena wa mo ano nye ne papa kura asach efri se mo se daddy lumba yare ena oprega ekohwe no dia obi a oyare ne wo makoma konsia according to nsem wo mo kan yo over ye ni say nipa no wo makoma konsia ono ankasa ne yere a what sika ware no se ne o kan no 29th September 2024 no o kan say me yere kusia say wa matisika ware no no ne ikumie ontumi nyesa akosia say wa ne daddy lumba te na daddy lumba na ho den amo no mo so yare no ai ne tata no nyare no one ne wo say me sape o say twafa nchen nyina wo obo me nsa enti ade na wo no a wo no empna keke no wono wo nsia obi a osan yare ya ahwehwe aso enti ekere wo say ngofo bi e go diga na kana fo mpese e be ka no kware enti me de me masem nyina ne say awofo no a muntu mu ba mu mafo na mu ma o take advantage because we lumbanti say one ne wo because akwada yi saa time no 16 o say 18 o na hwe lumbanfi a wadi a advantage and mo take here because I wanna wo no kire say wonim say nipa no obewu na o mana geni na ya na nipa nwene say wo na awu ye nso e kalumba beta e de o mana beba abeka ne ma no wa what you say nti ebe breaking home the problem beba nti pam no twa no awofo no nkasa nkire ye ma na da bia meka ada meka no kwenema ho ma meka na sante kwen ho me say no obi ba okunu ho a se ne maame antima ntu ne fo a mana anya we say papa yi wo yire any pasmes we warefo na what is san ne to agu tracers mu one e wo hips one e wo body one e wo nofo na wo behwira tare ho na wo twetwe boni dua ku no na fa na madase ani ati se dai
ni mu dua bona ye
nada abutre
o de me ba mama me guso me ba boni dua ku no ani the first one wa won't me modua no oba no wo oba kro no yede saade ni edi wo no se o apply divorce na ukunu na makwaya won so ma brante bi nye dai enyo na otisa brante bi hwa
na efutua uti de
because ya hwe ya ntu saade we ya se a that's the only solution ye kokoti e kwa yinvie no anya solution
awde o ba na ukruzi wonya wo no ye bold ne ko forward ne jano ne ko bobra ye ko fadechi
ade e ma no so kwa ma di wo mo a obi betenka obi be hu se ye de ma de e ko
ma wo kana ye pa ye good ko be ma na kwa na so
we wu bin se yo be
ya ma me be fa me se bitiwe na mo
ja wale ne kipo
ya letimo na wi ya ma me
na ya kwa sore
ja wale ne kipo
lumba tie no a ni yamba hina ma onya broken heart ama ntempa no a obe bibia fa
obe fa ba
enti mumia
asama mo
ya ga no kure na onya se mo de wada no
the family divorce man ye nya ya ase wunya me now so the bia wo
enti dia na what do I need to do
me dia come the baby asama mo ke ye mami se ku
ni
ya
mo ka se ni na mo mpe heaven ako
heaven mami we nya heaven muntie onye mai awade ekunu enko pe bibia o heaven
ni pa no so wo nya
muntie
what you nyai
sa ne ma nyina enko pe bibia o heaven ho
no ye wo ade ya
ya die anyankopon de ma ye emu hia ye ma heaven ye koka ekunu ene yire bo ho ntu bedi obi achi aba ye honhon no waku
na wa
because nyame amfafie nyame amfafie na ma me akosu ase wa wu ya no ba be kremu property ni amu be se ma me current man tiane ba no man ba betare wa wade ho a bonidua ku no wa hu ne agogodu a bonidua ku no won so ko na obi niwu
eno ano no me fo so
because be man who decide say who divorce no so won pa akoko so ayi akoso pe no
go forward the divorce no na was
na divorce you over 2018 so we say mo ye can divorce you the woman was ready to divorce this man refused so what shall we
move forward No, I think we move forward. No divorce. Feel
so move forward. Ya creep on the west.
Wafa na no be fan ho biem. Odna no
so ya be makura no so we ko for chi a enye se wo so ka se be ko yebi the best thing is January no nko
ya decide na ya shi
no nyae wale no so nyae
ewiase won say won kwa any with dignity ehiase ne bibia wasase so
o mi de o twa me
ba wofa after all that mami ye you should dignity you Senegal
move on with the divorce no na owie
move on divorce no we are you have to go and marry anybody so why what do you have to do
if you ask me
papa so when you say divorce say ba ko e de ko na ba ko so won pren so say e say your friend say me so me pren so say me ye divorce na ye mu nyira mu nye divorce ne ma
court nyira etimi nyira
o betimi aye eno de untimi nka you can say no contest eno ye no contest divorce o betimi aye still
okay no contest divorce but papa we dignity
chinchina ontana waliem ebra no
rumba ko fa enipa bi a wo mu kuku wo mu odu ti say
say
asem e bi nso
oba na say be ma wo usi awaleja ye kwa so no say de ekọ wuntimi a ema obia futuo embassy sa wadel so please say the word
as of African you know all this things
na meba de tie kakra say me say be me cancel ema wale fo bebrebe last week ye will be friend
mama me say wa o me de aduane ma wa kwa o fa na wa
bimpe me bo o friend me no say o friend me no say wo hia futuo and I'm so okay o futuo na wo hia wa wale no no the first question will be after me a me wife you no first question o pesa wale no to aso anaso pesa wo jai so o pesa wo to aso a we yinko we compare good God me preach me can say the be bo nipa why so pesa o to wale so a wo futuo ko and I pesa wo ja wale so wo futuo ko it will be a why ready say wo ja wale no which way men two for class at na wale ho me ma God dance a wo be fira wale no and at the way say wo there be e be ade me yere ye no me mpe but me pesa me jai e mi kunu yere me mpe ono no so no na approach ko ba de ba ko am de am kan say regardless of the wukunu be ya na say wo yere be ye no e men ka say okofo ba na say be ma wo na chi na saade no de ekowie no e ye west class ne say ka wo jai no kra call forward but no kra na me kan say men kan kire wo say tinem so obi frɛ me say last week ya lady bi frɛ me o frɛ no bu say madam awale na wo frɛ me no o pese wo tinem ana so
obi say ofa preacher so dem kina enye ne
tie na tie hana ya wo no yesua de tie o yesua de sebe ebi a ye de bedi agro ne ade bat obi to wono ma ono so tie futu se obi frɛ wo na to ka na wale mu sema even as adamfo as mama as papa as obi busa say any pan say o power ni sie na to pese o move forward so ka so move forward and the futu o okay so opening see so the foot but the last advice I'm the many pass say oh me yere yes saying to me so me ko fanachi me kunu yes me ko fanachi I'm telling you the truth some independent of believer yes if you want to ask them and talk to them they will tell you say sad no mpoye you know bringing worst solution end results than sen ko beja wale mpako to me the answer wale no wuntimi a move on Jawariye did you was a move on say nipa na ono di ubone no why no kono wo kaya ono awon so awon mo bi na so a dwane move on January ne ko wo yo ba wo ye be ma move on ne mum mikrofo bi am na betwi mi wo so wo twi me say at the end of the day no wow
Over the momentum
yes, wow. Now we kakana me firm because why really our labor more for
opinion no. Your opinion, yati. Nemo me de me gusu jina me nanso say.